Did you know that GPT-5 is now available for free users on Cursor AI? Today, we're not just going to be testing it against GPT-4, we're going to be testing it against Cloud 4 to see which of them is going to come on top, right? We're going to be testing it with this game UI that we have here on screen. We're going to be opening a screenshot and we'll see how they perform. So I added some extra guiding prompts, right, to all three of them and just sent them. In terms of speed, I'll say GPT-5 was the slowest, but I think that's because of the load. But yeah, I put the same prompt on them, right, to see if, so we can all test the results. And I made sure just HTML and JavaScript to make it just, something simple. And I was actually impressed. This is the result from GPT-5. You can see this is the first prompt. There was no second iteration, right? This is the first iteration and it was perfect, right? We can see the gameplay. Everything was really nice, like, right? And we can see different themes, the sunset themes and the rest. So it knew to add all that. And we can see the levels and even the customizations that were available, right? All that was very nicely done. So next we're going to be looking at the results from GPT-4, right? So this is GPT-4. It was disappointing as usual. I had no hopes for it, no much expectation. The game wasn't even working. Like, you can't win the game. There is no end. Like, you get what I mean? You can't get to the end box of the game, right? So as usual, GPT-4 disappointed. But the person I really have much hopes for is actually Cloud 4. And let's see what Cloud 4 was able to give us. But this is just making sure that I did not miss any hidden features. This all it could do, right? Same screenshot, same prompt, right? And this is Cloud 4. It actually disappointed me. Genuinely, I know Cloud 4 can do better than this. I want to believe this was a one-off glitch, right? The game was functional, obviously, unlike GPT-4, like Cloud GPT-5, the game was functional, right? It was playable and there were no much bugs, right? The first iteration, I did not like go back. This is also the mobile view of them, how mobile responsive are the games. They were not really like mobile first. Like I said, I didn't really like give much prompts, but just general responsiveness, right? We could see how responsive they were. Now, from the community, everyone is saying GPT-5 is not that good when you bring it against a existing code base. The context window is really, really poor, and it did not meet expectations. So put that in mind. But on UI, plain UI from scratch, this is what it was able to do. Remember to like and subscribe. Join us on Telegram. And if you're not, we also now have a Discord channel. You can also join us there to be part of the community and test out these new tools immediately they drop.